Free contractor tools that recover missed calls, follow up for you, and stop tire kickers dead in their tracks. This is absolutely free. You're going to get 8 tools, 0 monthly fees. Most contractors will pay $99 a month for software that does less. These are very helpful tools if you're a contractor watching this video. To grab these, upper right-hand corner of the video itself, click that link or the first link in the video description directly below. Every missed call, every ghosted quote is money walking out the door. This free kit gives you the exact scripts, calculators, and follow-up tools that help contractors recover lost leads, price jobs right, and stop letting good money slip through the cracks. Recover missed calls before they dial the next contractor. Follow up on ghosted estimates without sounding desperate. Filter tire kickers before they waste your afternoon. Know exactly what to charge so you stop leaving money behind. 8 tools, free. No credit card, works for any trade. This is the free contractor lead recovery kit. And I'm going to go over a couple of them here. And to get access to them, you know where to look. You got the missed call text generator. You missed the call, they are already dialing the next contractor. This tool generates a ready-to-send text in seconds that stops them cold and keeps the job yours. Contractor Follow Up System. This is very powerful. It's the most powerful tool in the kit. Generate a full 10-day follow-up sequence with trade-specific scripts for 40-plus contractor types. Covers quote follow-up, missed call rescue, and review requests. Includes 9 objection killer scripts for price pushback, ghosting, and the let me ask my spouse stall. They're copy-paste ready in seconds. You got a price objection script generator, a contractor business calculator, an estimate follow-up text generator, a contractor lead qualifier, a contractor job costing calculator, and a contractor website lead conversion fixer. So you got all these 8 tools right here, 100% free. The link's going to be directly below in the video description box. And if this is your first time to this channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you have any questions about this free toolkit or any question in general, send me a comment in the comment section directly below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your free tools.